So we have 3 tools, and I'll walk through these a little bit quickly. I have committed to doing a deeper demo, an actual demo of how to invest and kind of investing for beginners on Groundfloor in the future. So I'm going to move through these a little quickly. But the beauty of this and why I love this chart is because it really shows that Groundfloor allows you to invest and participate on your terms. And we've mapped those on a scale of customization, how customized you want to make you want to build your portfolio, and then the ease of diversification, which you see on the x-axis. So the first way a lot of people invest is the do-it-yourselfer, the do-it-yourself way. They'll hit our portal, they will assess and do due diligence on individual LROs that they want to invest in. They will dig into the LRO, they'll look at the risk grade. The risk grade is our proprietary algorithm through which we rate the risk of a given loan. And they'll look at the factors that make up that risk grade. And they'll invest, which is great. That's a great way to build a custom portfolio, but very hard to invest in many loans because you're spending a lot of time looking at each individual LRO. Our investment wizard. I love the investment wizard. The investment wizard allows you to deploy large amounts of capital or even small amounts of capital across many LROs very easily. So what you would do is you see the 3, but it's a little small, the diagram, but you see the 3 boxes. The 3 boxes correspond to investment strategies that correspond to risk tolerance. So you could choose if you're a conservative investor, if you're a dynamic investor, a little less conservative, and choose one of those and enter how much money you want to invest. And the investment wizard will deploy your capital across many LROs. You can also click the link just above those strategies and start to play with, and that's why this is a little more configurable, start to play with the toggles and the settings, and then use the investment wizard in that way. And if any of you have used our mobile app, the mobile app is built on the investment wizards. The mobile app is designed to be very light and allow you to invest large amounts of capital across many LROs. And lastly, auto investing. So I personally use auto investing. Auto investing allows you to input the maximum amount you want to invest in any letter grade. So going back to that chart, if it's $10, $100, $1,000 if you have a large portfolio, and the tool will automatically invest your funds into LROs. And the automatic investing engine runs, I believe it's at 8 o'clock. It runs every evening. And also every time loans are released, it'll sweep your account and deploy your capital into LROs automatically.